In today's session, we are going to explain about the parse PHP, features of PHP, and characteristics of PHP. Okay, so let's start. Uh, we already having a very good knowledge about how PHP code is parsed because in last session we have conducted 2 hours for practical, and in that case we discuss about how to PHP define open tag, close tag, what are the function. Okay, then we also discuss about the some of the syntax to print some sentence. Okay, and we discuss about the web server, we discuss about the Apache server, we discuss about Dreamweaver, fine, and how to run the program in your browser. That all stuff we have very good knowledge. But the major important parts is what to write the theory real time in examination, isn't it? Okay, let's start. A very first step begins with the web browser. If you want to execute your PHP code, first you must take the support of the web browser. Using a web browser, you have to request to the web server, say for example, http:// project name / file name. When you execute along with the PHP extension file, it will send to web application server, that is Apache. Okay, because you all know about we are going to use Apache server. If your page is connect with the database, MySQL database, then the query will be fired to the database and fetch some record and again get back to the web application server, yani ki Apache. Then Apache will execute it, process it, and generate in a HTML form and send it to web server. And web server will execute a code transfer to the web browser. Web browser will generate the appropriate output. This is how we know the actual PHP code is parsed. Okay. The web browser. These things are whatever I currently discussed, but let's say in a manner of theory. Web browser requests a document with a .php extension to the web server. Obviously, the web server send a request on to the PHP parser. PHP parsers are identified when you define the open and close tag. Parser can understand whatever the syntax, whatever the sentence written inside the open and close PHP tag, it is PHP code. Okay, the parser is reside on web application server, means at which place Apache. The PHP parsers find the request file and scan it for the PHP code, obviously. When the PHP parser finds PHP code, it executes that code and plays the resulting output into the place in the file. Means whenever you write the code, the parser will execute it and generate the output. Okay, the new output file is sent back to the web server. Yes, the new output file is sent back to the web server. Then web server send it along to the web browser so that it will generate the output. Okay, last sentence, because of the PHP code is parsed by server, this method of code execution is called server side. Keep in mind, whenever you perform the ASP.NET, whenever you perform with the PHP technology, this will serve at the server side. But when you work with the JavaScript, it will known as the client side scripting. Okay, fine. So let's continue with the next point. Features of PHP. Now it's very important. You must have the knowledge about the comparison between the different subject or technology. Which kind of features provided by ASP.NET? Which kind of features provided by ASP? sorry, Java and this kind of features provided by the PHP. First is open source. I already discussed with you in a practical session what is exactly open source. Open source means what? No need to buy a license for use the technology. Okay, and it is easily available on the net. For example, if you want to download the PHP, so it is available on www.php.net site. Okay, you can download it its latest version also. Next is use template and language system that keep your customized. Obviously, there are a lot many templates and language systems are available. You can integrate it, you can modify it, and you can use it. It's very easy comparative with the other technology. Region module is included. Region module means what? Ajax. Ajax is an advanced JavaScript and XML. Yes. Let me introduce the Ajax. Okay, what exactly Ajax is? Ajax is advanced JavaScript. See, one thing is what? Whenever you're working with the PHP or whatever maybe the technology ASP as well, when you perform some event, for example, button event or link event, when you click it, what happens? A page will post, and whenever the page will post, it will refresh it. Okay, so when page is refreshed, and then it will move to the jump into the another page. Ajax concept. In Ajax concept, whenever you implement its logic, the page never be refresh or reload. Okay, it will, because it will work as an internal. So this is one of the biggest a very good feature that's supported by the PHP. Then picture gallery. Obviously, PHP version 5 has a very good libraries, said GD library. Graphic design libraries are available. You can utilize that library. Using that library, you can implement so different kind of functionality, its classes. On the basis of that, you can manipulate the things on your graphics, on picture, on image, on video, etc. Right? Publishing tool for custom page by you. Yeah, there are different types of publishing tools are available nowadays that custom your page. If you have your own page and if you want to publish by some external tools, it can possible. PHP will support. That's a very good feature. Easy code. Easy code means what? PHP can support the pure object oriented concept. In earlier, I told you okay, whatever the syntax is completely same as pure C++. Yes, so it's very easy to write code. Only understand and memorize the function name and nothing else. Normalized database layout. Yes, it support the normalized database layout means in previously you are working with the DBMS then RDBMS. Now it is completely provide a very good interface. Even you can directly define the constraint. You can define the unique key in by interface only. So it's very easy to normalize your database. It's fast. It's fast because no need to load some code from the different sources. Okay, it will work at one single page only, so it will not take too much time to execute. Okay, image, video, and document upload. You can easily upload the image, video, and documents. Namespace support. Yes, the namespace for variable, for functional, for keywords are already available. If you go through the PHP library, all the predefined keywords are there. So namespace are already available. Garbage collector. If you define some variable, you stored it after close your web page. All the memorized variable and other values are automatically cleared just because these garbage collection collector features are available in PHP. Let's move ahead. Characteristics of PHP. Yes, it's a very frequent asked question. 5 important characteristics make the PHP practical nature possible. First is simplicity. Simplicity means what? It's very simple, easy to use, simple to write, and very simple to execute. Okay, efficiency is very efficient. Efficient in terms of what? Whatever you are implement the lengthy logic, lengthy code, integration APIs, but it is work a very efficient manner. So it will take to very less amount of process time. Okay. Security. It's very secure because there are inbuilt functionality are there that provide the security features, like for example algorithms, RSA and MD5 algorithms are there, so you can implement it, so you can your website become very secure. Flexibility in terms of what? कि once you have implement your code in your system, you can move anywhere else, any or server, any other product system, anywhere, so it's, you can say the portable. Yes, the portability is very good. And the familiarity means whenever you write code and other person if read or try to understand your code, it's very easy to understand. There is no complex properties are available or no complex no complexity on the syntax. It's very easy to define and very easy to understand, so you can say okay, it's a very good for the familiar, yes, to the other developer. So this is what the characteristics of PHP. So in next session, we are very soon meet and discuss furthermore about client-side scripting and server-side scripting, which is again a very frequent asked question in terms of exam. Thank you.